If You Were a Pronoun by Nancy Lowen, illustrated by Sarah Gray. So I'm seeing right here, it tells me that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. I wonder what they mean by that. Well, while we're reading this book, if you're looking for pronouns, I want you guys to keep your eyes out for the big, colorful words in the example sentences, okay? So, if you were a pronoun. Oh, and now I see what they mean by those big, colorful words. So these must all be pronouns. Okay. Whoa, and I wonder, these are pronouns too. So, if you were a pronoun, you could throw a party. You would invite him and her and them and us. Come one, come all, you would say. We will have a terrific time. You would invite everybody. Look at all those pronouns on this page. Holy smokes. You, him, her, them, us, one, all, we, everybody. Wow. If you were a pronoun, you would replace the nouns and take the repetition out of sentences. Oh, here's what they mean. All right, so without pronouns, it says Jessie put Jessie's backpack in Jessie's locker. Then Jessie went to talk to Jessie's friends. That just doesn't sound right. Let's try this with pronouns. Jessie put her backpack in her locker. Then she went to talk to her friends. Look at that. All those words are pronouns. You've probably been using pronouns in your writing all along and you didn't even know it. If you were a pronoun, you could take the place of more than one person or thing. So, Carol, Bruce, and I earned a pizza party for the entire class. Whew, that sounds like super fun. Or you could say with pronouns, we earned a pizza party for the entire class. And that is a little bit faster. Frank and Dylan each ate 3 slices of pizza. Now, but with pronouns, it says they each ate 3 slices of pizza. And that sounds, again, like a lot easier to write they instead of Frank and Dylan. If you were a pronoun, you could take the place of a person or a person's name. You would be a personal pronoun. Who knew that? Look at that. I had no idea that there were different kinds of pronouns. So let's take a look at what a personal pronoun is. Mrs. Jones handed out the tests. And that must be the personal pronoun there. She handed out the tests because she took the place of Mrs. Jones. Brian was nervous for the test. And I see there's another personal pronoun. He was nervous for the test. So I could replace Brian with he. If you were a pronoun, you could be possessive. You would let people know that something belongs to someone or something. Like Sharky lost some of his teeth. Oh yeah, look at that. They're talking about how the teeth, his teeth, those teeth belong to Sharky. Oh, here's one I bet you guys all know. Our playground equipment. We've definitely got some of that. There's that possessive pronoun letting you know that the playground belongs to the kids. In this case, the school of fish needs to be cleaned. If you were a pronoun, you could tell about people and things without being specific. You would be an indefinite pronoun. Oh yeah, like everyone, get ready to march. Did I forget something? Oh yeah, that's very general. That is not specific. I don't want to trip over anything. Another not specific pronoun. One of those indefinite pronouns. Somebody lost some sheet music. There's that up. Yet another indefinite pronoun. You guys, I thought that was it. I thought we were just going to recap the book, but no, look, they're telling us there's even more kinds of pronouns. Like what, who, which, and these are called pronouns. These are pronouns that ask a question and they're interrogative pronouns. So what is in there? Who understands this stuff? Which is the right one? Hey, yeah. Because what is a thing? Who could be a person, or in this case, a very interesting Cyclops sea creature. And which, again, talking about a thing, so taking the place of a thing, a specific noun. So if you were a pronoun, you would point something out without naming it. You could be a demonstrative pronoun. I'll take these. Please give me those. This isn't it. If you were a pronoun, you could be like a mirror. You could reflect the subject of the sentence back to itself. The subject tells whom or what the sentence is about. I can fix it myself. They will get themselves in a lot of trouble if they eat their textbooks. And if you were a pronoun, you could emphasize the subject of a sentence. The principal, the subject of this sentence, herself decorated the set for the school play. You would always be working hard as a stand-in for a noun if you were a pronoun. So guys, on the back, just to remind you, pronouns take the place of a noun. And some really common pronouns are he, she, her, or him, everyone, or anyone. While you're writing today, I want you to make sure that you go ahead and underline at least 3 pronouns in your writing. Please take a picture of it and upload it to Dojo if you are virtual, or show it to your teacher if you're face-to-face. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.